Herman Cabansag. I am married to Melly Cabansag. So when we met before, she was 19 and I'm 21. And then the love that we have before is the same as what we have now. And she's already 68, 67, 68, and I'm already 71. It's 48 years of sacrifice. I'm only joking. I love my wife so much. She needs a lot of doctor's appointment, and then she's on dialysis 3 times a week. I can live, with those problems because she's with me. But, I don't know what to do if she's no longer with me. This is our small room. This is my son and my daughter who died already. So we don't have any more children yet. They go before us. It should be us before them. This is a certificate of citizenship that we were able to get because we passed the interview. So we were able to have this because of ACDC. With the help of ACDC, especially, the food distribution that you're giving us, oh my God, it will last for a month for the 2 of us. It will last. When we applied for, the assistance, citizenship, and then, the health, medication, and then the food distribution, we really enjoy it. We love ACDC so much. And also the people around, because they're very generous, because it will not happen without those staff inside. Maraming salamat sa ACDC at kami ay umaasa at nananalangin para sa kabutihan, kagandahan ng bawat isa sa ACDC. Maraming salamat po.